What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa if you're new here, and today I wanted to show you how I do my everyday eyebrow routine. Spoiler alert, it's very low maintenance, nothing fancy, but I thought you guys might want to see this. Also, one of the products that I use is only $2, okay? So please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and let's just jump right in. So, taking my little spoolie, I'm just going to brush all of the hairs up. Then taking the pencil, I'm just lightly feathering in like a very subtle line underneath the brow, and then like any sparse areas. A 24-hour setter by Benefit, and it has this like flat brush. I kind of like to keep it flat and just flick upwards. As soon as the brow gel dries, they should stick in place pretty well. My eyebrows are not the same shape, even remotely close. This one is like really flat and straight, and this one has like a higher arch, but whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.